So, hello students. Today I will discuss De Moivre's theorem level 1 homework bits. Bit number 66. Bit number 66 in level 1. A plus B omega plus C omega square divided by C plus A omega plus B omega square plus A plus B omega plus C omega square divided by B plus C omega plus A omega square is equals to. So here we have to find the value. So for this multiply and divide with omega square. So omega square into A plus B omega plus C omega square divided by multiply omega square in the denominator, C omega square plus A omega square into omega cube, that is 1, plus B omega square into omega power 4 is equal to omega, plus multiply and divide with omega this, A omega into A plus B omega plus C omega square divided by B into omega B omega, C into omega into omega C omega square, plus A into omega square into omega cube, A into omega cube A. So A plus B omega plus C omega square will be cancelled. Here also A plus B omega plus C omega square is also cancelled. What we will remain? Omega square plus omega. Omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1. Since 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. This is the condition. Next, 67. Problem number 67. 4 plus 5 into minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 to the power of 334 plus 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 to the power of 365. So this bracket value clearly omega value, that is 4 plus 5 into omega power 334 plus 3 into omega power 365. So 4 plus 5 into omega power 334 divide 3, it will be remainder 1 omega plus 3 into, if you divide 365 with 3, the remainder will be 2 omega square. So it can be written like this: 1 plus 2 omega plus 3 into 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square already we have written 0. Its value is equal to 0. That is, it will be 1 plus 2 omega. So 1 plus 2 into omega is equals to 1 plus minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. 1 plus omega minus omega square. Okay. Minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. 1 minus 1 cancelled. It will be I root 3. That's all. Next, we move to the 68 problem. I will done in the next page. Bit number 68. Bit number 68 is given that if omega is cube root of unity, omega is cube root of unity, then the value of the expression 1 into 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square plus 2 into 3 minus omega into 3 minus omega square plus so on n minus 1 into n minus omega into n minus omega square. So n greater than or equal to 2. N greater than or equal to 2. So take n is equal to 2 and verify the options. Take n is equals to 2. Take n is equals to 2. Then given is equals to 1 into 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square. And 2 is equal to only first term. So multiply this. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 2 omega square minus 2 omega. Minus 2 is taken common. Omega plus omega square. Minus omega into minus omega square plus omega cube. 4 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 omega cube is equal to plus 1 is equal to 7. So in denominator RHS denominator put n is equal to 2 in first option. So n is equals to 2. 2 square 2 plus 1 3 square by 4 minus n 2. So 4 gets cancelled. 3 square 9 minus 2 7. So first option itself correct. So no need to verify the remaining options. Okay ma, that's all for this today.